Good evening. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for April 16th to the 28th. For the start of the period for April 16th to the 20th, miles in good agreement on the general flow, forecasting a ridge here, a weak trough in the west, and a ridge in the east across the east central U.S. Below normal heights, with a trough here across the northern latitudes. And the models are in good agreement with this. And we're going to go now to the end of the period. This is the 20th. And we see very little change. And then we're going through the models. And they're pretty consistent. Some of the models, like this one, this is European ensembles, has a trough over the southwest. Has a trough over the southwest. So there's a little indication of that. Now, during this period, expect widespread precipitation across south central states into the east late in the weekend and early next week. And now we're looking at the ensembles. And the ensembles are forecasting near to above normal temperature across much of the nation, with temperature anomalies of about 5 to 20 degrees above normal and below normal temperatures about 5 to 10 degrees below normal in the southwest. And we'll look at the map, and that's just what I'm forecasting. I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here and here, below normal temperatures for this region. And for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation for this area. Now for the period for April 19th to 23rd. Here we are at the 20th, and you can still see we have a ridge, still a weak trough here in the southern plains, a trough here and a trough here, below normal heights across this region. One thing to notice, we're going to go to the 23rd, to the end of the period, and you can see now that we have let me go to the 23rd. And we have above normal heights here and along the east coast and the western Atlantic with a weak trough in the center of the nation. And we're going to look at the GFS ensembles. Generally the same thing, but weaker anomalies. And the European and its ensembles has a trough further back to the west, more like over the Rockies. Now, the ensembles during this period, they're different. And I'm going to show you here. Now, the GFS, ensembles has below normal temperatures of about 5 to 15 to 20 degrees below normal here, and we have temperatures of 5 to 10 degrees or 20 degrees above normal in the west. Now, the European and the Canadian has above normal temperatures here, still below across this area. And below normal temperatures in the southwest. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for this region, below for the southern plains and portions of the southwest, and above normal temperatures here. And for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation for this area and above normal precipitation here. Now, for the end of the period, this is for April 24th to 28th. Here we are at the 24th, and this is the GFS, is the most amplified on the models with the trough here across the eastern U.S. We have above normal heights here, and we trough here at the west coast. And we're going to look at the Canadian. And it has weaker height anomalies across much of the nation with below normal heights, but they're still forecasting below normal heights in the east. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region, and now we'll look at the temperature anomalies. We see I have temperatures of about 5 to 15 degrees below normal in the east, in the central U.S., and temperatures of about 10 to 20 degrees above normal in the west. For precipitation, I am forecasting below normal precipitation here, above normal precipitation for this area. So that is a long-range weather forecast discussion for April 16th to 28th. Thanks for coming, Jim Only's World of Weather, and have a good day.